Step into the heart of downtown Los Angeles, where every corner tells a story, every mural sparks a conversation, and the creative pulse never stops. From hidden gems in historic buildings to avant-garde galleries lighting up the arts district, let's dive into the vibrant world where art meets urban culture. Ready to explore the canvas of Los Angeles? Welcome to downtown Los Angeles, a thriving hub of creativity and expression. This vibrant art scene is a melting pot of diverse art forms, from stunning street murals that adorn the walls to contemporary galleries showcasing the cutting-edge installations. Art plays a crucial role in urban culture, reflecting the community's spirit and history. Iconic locations like the Broad Museum and the Arts District are must-visit spots, where you can immerse yourself in the dynamic atmosphere. Don't miss events like the monthly Downtown Art Walk, where local artists and enthusiasts come together to celebrate creativity. Join us as we explore the colorful tapestry of art that makes downtown Los Angeles truly unique. Historical context. The art scene in downtown Los Angeles has evolved significantly over the decades, shaped by key historical events such as the post-World War II urban renewal and the rise of the Chicano art movement in the 1970s. Influential artists like Judy Chicago and the collective ASCO emerged from this vibrant landscape, pushing boundaries and challenging societal norms. The area has also been a canvas for various movements, including street art and contemporary installations, reflecting the rich cultural diversity of its residents. This eclectic mix of influences showcases the stories and experiences of different communities, making downtown Los Angeles a living testament to the power of art in expressing identity and fostering connection. Art galleries and museums. Downtown Los Angeles is home to several must-visit art galleries and museums that showcase a rich array of artistic expression. The Broad, renowned for its impressive collection of contemporary art, features works by artists like Jeff Koons and Yayoi Kusama. The Museum of Contemporary Art, also known as MOCA, offers a deep dive into modern art with rotating exhibitions that highlight both established and emerging artists. Additionally, the Hauser and Wirth Gallery presents innovative installations and thought-provoking exhibitions. These institutions often host unique programs, such as artist talks, workshops, and community events, fostering engagement and dialogue around the art. A visit to these spaces is essential for anyone looking to experience the heart of downtown Los Angeles' art scene. Street art and murals. Street art and murals play a vital role in community expression and identity in downtown Los Angeles, transforming public spaces into vibrant canvases that reflect the voices of local residents. Iconic murals such as the Angelino by artist Eloy Torres celebrate cultural heritage and social issues, while artists like Shepard Fairey and Retna have gained international recognition for their impactful works. The ongoing evolution of street art in the city has led to greater acceptance, with many viewing it as a legitimate art form rather than mere vandalism. This shift has encouraged collaboration between artists and local businesses, fostering a dynamic environment where creativity thrives and communities come together to celebrate their unique stories. Art events and festivals. Downtown Los Angeles hosts a variety of major art events and festivals that celebrate creativity and community. The Downtown Los Angeles Art Walk, held monthly, invites art lovers to explore galleries, meet artists, and enjoy live performances, fostering a vibrant atmosphere of engagement. Another highlight is the Los Angeles Art Show, an annual event that showcases contemporary and modern art from around the world, providing a platform for local and international artists alike. These events not only bring together diverse audiences, but also offer local artists invaluable opportunities to showcase their work, network with industry professionals, and gain exposure. Together, they contribute to a thriving cultural landscape that enriches the community. Emerging artists and collectives. Downtown Los Angeles is a hotbed for emerging artists who are making significant waves in the art scene. Talents like Kelsey Montague and Dabs Mila are gaining recognition for their innovative styles and engaging public art projects. Artist collectives play a crucial role in this vibrant ecosystem, fostering collaboration and providing a supportive network for creatives. Groups like the Los Angeles Contemporary Exhibitions, LACE, and the Arts District's various collectives encourage artists to share resources, ideas, and opportunities. Platforms such as the Downtown Los Angeles Art Walk and local galleries also promote emerging talent, offering them a stage to showcase their work and connect with art enthusiasts, ultimately enriching the cultural fabric of the city. Conclusion. In summary, downtown LA's art scene is a vibrant tapestry that plays a significant role in shaping the city's identity. From iconic galleries and museums to dynamic street art and emerging artists, the creative expressions found here reflect the diverse voices of the community. We encourage you to explore this rich art landscape yourself and support local artists who contribute to its ongoing evolution. If you enjoyed this journey through downtown Los Angeles's art scene, please subscribe, like, and share this video for more art-related content. Together, we can celebrate and promote the creativity that makes this city truly unique.